Day 2. What's up, guys? I've got some really good news. We made our first sale today. I woke up feeling different. Not gonna lie, that first notification hits different. It's just one sale, but it means everything. The day was still crazy busy though. Had work, had responsibilities. Real life doesn't stop. Long day. I was tired. But as soon as I got home, I opened my PC. Checked the store, checked the numbers, checked social media. Then I went straight into market research, looking at competitors, looking at trends, planning the next move. Because at the end of the day, the only thing that gets you to success is discipline and consistency. No shortcuts, no excuses. Appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you on day 3.